Mike PK. Diyan kayo galing.
The Voice na pala to. Iikot yung ano.
Isa. Ha? No. Ano ka dito? Pumukuin. Kayong tatlo dito?
Happy birthday, Mom.
Writer, trademark na kanta na ni Miss Pagpasok mo dito, dahil may extra ka na mic. May extra ka na mic ha.
Actually, for me, bago ako mag-set sa stage, naiyak kami ni Kate kasi nakaka-touch yung performance niya. If you think about it, 50 years sa industry, talagang it's a long time and she's really touched many lives. Not just madami niyang roles, madami niyang characters ito, madami siyang na-inspire. And isa na ako doon bilang apo niya sa upcoming show namin, Shining Inheritance. I mean, she's really taught me so many things, dami niyang advice sa akin that I will apply to my everyday life. And natutuwa lang ako that here on All Out Sunday on the stage, we get to appreciate her amazing craft ni Tita Connie.
Celebrating her 50th anniversary dito sa showbiz, the one and only Miss Connie Reyes. Miss Connie!
Si Tita Connie na po on set, siya ang nagpapagaan ng vibes. For me, pag kompleto yung cast, pag ando si Tita Connie, kahit intense yung scenes, she'll always give us minsan quick stories or quick advice that mapapaisip na lang kami na it really will affect us in a good way, of course. And yeah, it's a pleasure having and an honor being on set with Tita Connie.
Sa pagiging artista, ang karera bilang isang ina ang pinakamahalaga sa kanya.
For being here and happy anniversary. Would you like to say anything to the viewers?
Well, I have so much to say. Parang nag-uumapaw yung puso ko sa pagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat. To GMA, sa AOS, Miss Gigi, thank you so much for putting this together, the staff. Oh, I'm so happy. And all of you, first of all, how you all look so beautiful, so handsome, so gorgeous with your outfits. I love the blue and pink thing.
Thank you.
Nakakatawa, nakakakilig na kilala niya tayo isa-isa. Diba? It's such a honor ba? Maraming salamat.
First part ng abot kami ng pangarap. Gusto ko tayo sa kalim.
Gawin natin yun! Gawin natin! Ito na!
Napanood niyo po yung pamilya po ninyo na nagbigay ng message po sa inyo. Ano po yung masasabi niyo po?
I'm so blessed to have children like them. And my apos, I adore them. Yan yung mga kaligayahan ko eh. Yun yung nagbibigay ng buhay sa buhay ko. Diba? They are God's special blessings, gifts to me. So, thank you kay L.A., kay Vico, si Carla, alam ko, medyo nahihiya magpakita sa camera yun. Macy, she's a wonderful daughter-in-law. God blessed me with the sweetest daughter-in-law. And then Lorenzo, Mateo, and Alejandro. Super love ko sila. Yung parang mas may meaning yung buhay ko dahil sa kanila. And actually my sons told me, especially Ellie, yung saying, sabi niya, Ma, naku, iyak ako. We see you at your happiest when you're doing what you love, which is acting. So, tuloy-tuloy pa rin.
You're very, very supportive po sa inyo.
Hanggang sa dulo ng ating sinabi din.
Hanggang sa huli.
Hanggang sa huli.
Hanggang sa
Yes.
huli.
Hanggang sa huli, hanggang kaya pa, hanggang pagkaloob ng Panginoon. There's so much to be grateful for.
Amen.
Ay, dami. Pero ang isa hindi ko makakalimutan, dito sa GMA ko, sinimulan ang aking career. My first regular noontime show, Student Canteen. Parang nasalang ako agad with some of the best in the industry. So, ako yung pinakabata doon kasi Student Canteen, kailangan may mukhang estudyante ka doon. Kasi sila mukhang professors. Ito rin sa GMA nagsimula yung aking drama. And that time, it was called Connie Reyes Bumar Drama Studio. Hindi ko na nakalimutan na nagdaga din ako.
Yes!
Diba? TVJ.
Tita Connie, I just want to say happy Mother's Day, and of course, happy 50th anniversary in the showbiz industry. You have taught me so many things in the short time we've been together, and you've inspired me in so many ways, and I'm so happy that I'm able to work with you and to have you in my life. I hope to work with you again in the future, and I wish you nothing but the best. Thank you so much, Tita Connie.